DoulaId is a web application to help doulas navigate the complexities of becoming enrolled as a Medicaid provider. Start by creating an account. Enter your email and create a password. You will get an email to confirm your account creation. After you confirm your account, you can log in using your email and password. After logging into DoulaId, you will see the step-by-step guide. Each step will help you navigate through what is required by the Medicaid ePreP portal. The progress circle will help you know how much you have completed in the DoulaId process. You can move between these steps as you want to, but we find it most helpful if you go in order. Let's start with step 1. This step helps you to organize and collect the documents required by Medicaid related to your doula certification. Select the organization where you received your training and certification. Once you selected the organization, DoulaId indicates what documents are required by Maryland Medicaid. Upload your certifications here. You can see that you have now completed 10% of the DoulaId process. You will also need to acknowledge that you have doula insurance and a background check. Uploading proof of insurance and a background check is helpful but not required. After step 1 is completed, you can move on to step 2. You will need a national provider identifier for Medicaid. You can click the NPI circle or Next at the bottom of step 1. Enter your NPI in the spaces provided. If you are an individual, you will need a Type 1 NPI. If you are a group with other doulas working under you, you will need a Type 2 NPI. If you are not sure if you already have an NPI, you can look yourself up on the NPES registry. There is also a guide to help you get an NPI if you don't have one. Now let's look at your progress to see what else is needed before registering for Medicaid through the ePreP portal. Items that are completed will be in green while the tasks remaining are in orange. You can click directly on a missing item and it will take you to that section in DoulaId. Step 3 is all about your doula business. You will enter your EIN number, which is located on your IRS document. Medicaid also needs a W-9 form. Complete the W-9 form and upload it to DoulaId. Next is your SSTAT number with the state of Maryland. If you're not sure if you have an SSTAT number, you can look it up on the Maryland Business Entity Search and also register your business there. In order to be a Medicaid eligible doula, your business must be in good standing with the state. Finally, upload your tax ID letter from the IRS. This letter also contains your EIN number. If you have completed all the prior steps, then you are now ready and organized to apply through the Medicaid ePreP portal. Everything that you will need to enroll is listed in green. When you are ready, click on the ePreP website and start your application. If you are ready to apply through ePreP, let us know by clicking the checkbox. The Medicaid ID step is where you can record your Medicaid ID once you have been approved through the ePreP process. Your feedback and questions during this process is very important. Anytime you have a question or want to let us know your opinion, click on the text bubble. These are available in each section. You can type your question or feedback in the text box and we will respond and resolve your issue. You can also resolve your own question if you have figured it out on your own. The DoulaId team will see where you have feedback and questions. After we have answered them, we will resolve your comments. Thank you for using DoulaId and giving us your feedback. We hope that DoulaId was helpful in supporting you through your Medicaid ePreP process.